usually folks, well, in this part of the island, the average price of an acre of land, you need to put in a seatbelt. Or you could take your savings and go. Because all the other bellies are free. Dennis's group. We'll have a wonderful.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that was great. Thank you.
So I said, this is the way that you can give me the name of the
Nii, seda ma siis joon siin.
Cold, okay, cold. It's hot here. Year round average temperature about 80 as I turn the bus around, otherwise we're going to get stuck here.
See peaks siin kõik laava olema.
Of shoreline from the Big Island. Goes on and on. The only way to get it, the wrench. And I know I repeat.
So he texts me, he's like, I have no idea.
Tõeline loomaajas söömine. Mis sina tahad? Kärbes ka. appi nüüd minnakse minu kanapalakase pärast kaklema siin. Nii. Liikun siit läbi. Jõudsin hobuste juurde.
That's right there if you want to grab a photo. They will take these beautiful islands one by one land later. Now the water we're looking at to the left. For that part of life. And the cremated remains are held.
Three, two, one. Do you have to hold the button now?
Did it click?
Just it went.
Yeah.
What?
Rich, out of the way.
Tropical rain here.
Can we go fishing? Yes, we can. Here on the left, let's go fishing. This part of the island was the last part of the island formed.
This is funny. Are you friendly? There is many of them.
Me too.
Oh, it's just when I go there. nii. Need pidid ka kõik tuvid olema. Suured tuvid ja väiksed tuvid ja...
And then there's a fountain, then there's a middle house and a fountain and the beach house.
See on vulkaanikraatri ääl siis.